Aussie Amanda, the Outback superstar. Follow me back to my boudoir. Exotic Outback encounter, over 30 minutes of exhilarating strength, dominating talk, challenges, physical challenges with animals, has fans raving. I am Aussie Amanda from the Outback, this superstar that takes all the wild animals down. They can't destroy me. 16 minutes of close animal encounters and 19 minutes of dominating tough talk. And I will not be defeated. I am Aussie Amanda from the Outback that has incredible power, determination, drive. Hear her animal attack stories and see her battle wounds. Listen carefully. Listen. You will have no regrets. This show is out of this world. Visit videoteasing.com/amanda.htm.